Tapaas is the largest and longest serving risk management software in the CFD industry. We analyze risk for dozens of brokers every single month, covering tens of trillions of flow in real time. It takes roughly 10 milliseconds from the trade to be placed for it to be received, processed and presented on our platform. All of the largest brokers use us, and we are one of the best known and most reliable in the sector. Well, I've worked with Spotware, the parent of cBridge, for many years before Tapaas as well. The team they're experts, they're responsive, they know their product, and when it comes to cBridge, they have a distinct advantage over other bridges. They have a long successful history in trading platforms. They know brokers back to front, and they know their pains, they know their problem areas, they know their bottlenecks. And so coming forward with cBridge, they've already solved all of these problems when they're planning the product, rather than solving the problems when they're on the fly, releasing the product. The fact that it also syncs perfectly with one of the largest trading platforms in cTrader is an obvious advantage. But then you take a look beyond that, and like Tapaas, like my own company, cBridge has taken the decision to price based upon integration and not on volume. And that is a core point, because if you're penalizing one of your clients for growth, your incentives are not aligned. If you're at Tapaas and you have the same number of integrations, whether you do 50 billion or a trillion a month, you pay the same price. Well, take a look at the two different types of brokers that you would be addressing this to. If you're addressing it to large brokers, it's very good for them because they can actually predict their costs. And when you get to a very large scale, the swing in volumes might be hundreds of billions a month. And that, if you're paying per million, that's a real penalty to pay. If you're a small broker, every penny counts, and every penny that's not being spent on volume fees for a bridge that's catching up with your requirements is a penny spent on growth, be it affiliates, be it IBs, be it PPC. Again, scale brokers would be very, very happy to work with cBridge, because I think each one of their subject matter experts in-house will be able to find somebody with their level of expertise at Spotware. Spotware is full of experts. They're full of people with deep experience in the industry, and that allows them to solve complex issues before the issues arrive. And then the second type, the new brokers, the young brokers, and there are a lot of them now. There are more now than I've seen for a long time. These guys need the expertise, and cTrader and therefore cBridge, they have the history of taking complex problems and simplifying them for their clients. It's a very responsive team. As I say, if there's a problem that we're trying to solve, or one of our clients is trying to solve, it's very easy for them to find what it is that will solve that problem and therefore find a solution. They're all experienced and they're all experts. So it's very easy to give trust. A lot of our brokers would enjoy working with cBridge. A lot of our brokers already work with cTrader. It's a great way to scale. Whether it's through cCopy or whatever else, but with cBridge, yeah. It's been built with modern technology, it's been built with a very transparent pricing, and with the fluctuation in the market in terms of volumes, not just volatility, but in terms of volumes, it helps predict cash. So whether you're small, whether you're one of the giants, it's well worth reviewing your costs and being able to predict them.